the most phenomenon was a place in Bulacan called Bahay ng Pula. I was pretty impressed by what I discovered there. Pero
Ito
also,
po, clear.
a lot of our national buildings like the National Museum, the National
Tas parang
Library,
defib.
have been very
Alam mo yung sound ng defib?
Oo. Oo.
Clear.
Well, from what I know about Bahay ng Pula, that was a Japanese
clear.
author.
Oh.
It was also not unheard of for them to also murder their escorts just to save them some money. So,
Well, that's a good thing.
chances are a lot of negative energy was released. Now, the national
May nagtitrip sa akin, lagi nang uupos ng Yoshi.
there's a lot of
Ano eh?
Eh, ilagay kong...
Ito po, clear.
that are very important to afterlife stories. And we really never got to know.
Ang cool lang job namin, no?
Tapos,
Hindi na kayo natatakot.
Click. Sana yan lang. Oh,
lagay ko defib ba?
Believe
The
that
people.
we're in TV. I'm not saying endorse, support. I'd say a good 90%. Because wherever you go, you'll always hear like
tapos
the
oo.
white lady.
May oo.
Even
May
though
oo sa
dulo. Sa dulo, di ba?
How about may white lady dyan?
Kasi may oo sa dulo eh. Tama.
Pero we all acknowledge the white lady is there. It's so embedded in all
Oo.
your
Sakto mo.
because we're a very weird woman.
Clear? Oo.
So, parang yung oo lalaki.
Oo. Parang next.
Galing. Yung dito.
Yun nga, yan yung medyo funky.
Yung di ba?
Pwede mo pa i-amp ng konti.
May amp natin kaya lang hindi masasama sa isang...
Blip nyo yan. O, sige.
Ito lang.
Oo, kasi klaro naman ako doon sa blip na yun eh.
Gal. 3.
Okay, go.
Isang palit.
Would you like to use this one? You never have first time you ever said that.
Ano?
Why?
There's something still...
You should actually
Something?
consider taking bits and pieces of what we got. Because that was creepy.
Try ko tong ano. Pakinggan mo din tong ano.
Sige, pakinggan ko muna yan.
So we have some things that have like as though to this investigation EMF was not that strong.
May gurney na
Kasi
nagutol.
EMF means that the presence is strong. Talaga.
Will?
Pero the PVC countered that. Oh.
So, ano yun dito?
There's something...
Baka biglang mag-focus na.
Teka, there...
I was better than
Parang there's something still dark. Tapos
Dark?
they rolled him out. I think operating scene to. Kasi nag-blip ulit yung defib. Tapos there's something still dark. Tapos ni-roll out nila yung dulo. Pakinggan mo yung buo.
It's like a radio version of Apocalypse.
Ito, oo. Oo.
May tape record, may mamamdaman may tape recorder na
Invisible light.
Pero kinakalagkat mo kung saan.
Parang ano talaga siya. Ano nga yung sinabi mo kanina?
Operating room.
Hindi yung
Gurney.
past event na
Residual.
yung residual.
Dodge.
Kasi parang nagpo-pose eh.
Magpapos.
Di ba may scene dito, tapos biglang magpo-pose.
Oo.
May scene uli, tapos nagpo-pose. So, ano nga to?
Parang ang
Ay, meron.
parang mama may tape recorder.
Parang there is something still dark.
There is?
Something still dark.
advocate quality